Welcome back, everyone. On today's Adventures of Dodge, why won't it start? Welcome back to everybody's favorite key, FOBIK. Put the key in the ignition, nothing. I'm trying to start it. If I wiggle on it, then it starts. Did you know that those parts are backordered in 2021? Who knew? Let's take it apart and fix it. 2 Phillips screws under here. 1, 2. Pops this off. Like so. There are 4 T25 Torxes here. Let's just undo these. Disconnect that, and there. So let's go into the system settings here. Let's not do the update. Diagnostic. Dodge. Put key in ignition. Read. Clean. Okay. 2010 Dodge Ram 3500. It's got dualies. It's got big wheels. Control unit. I believe it's in body. Wireless control. And live data. So, if we go to key fob signal strength, it's kind of weak. Brake switch, key in wake up, ACC wake up. There is a spot here. Ignition status. See? Oh, I hold in the start and it's not there. I'm in the start position, it's not showing start. So I know I have a problem in there. So just another test you can do to confirm what we already know. Okay. So disconnect the connector. There we go. Key on the ignition. Yeah. Wireless ignition node. There's a part number here and an FCC number for us to put in later. So what I'm expecting is the contacts on the wipers to have deteriorated, so we gotta clean that up somehow. Let's go on the bench and try it. Ready? All we gotta do is start by, oh, it's out. Wiggle, wiggle. There we go. There we go. Now we have to remove these 5 solder joints, okay? So, okay, now we should be able to lift this off nice and easy. There's a couple plastic clips we have to lift. Go. And like so. Whoop, come on, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And you can see, look at how dirty these wipers are. That's our problem. A lot of dirt in there. So, spray. Okay. Material still there? Oh boy. Oh, look at that. That's gross. Okay. So that's it. That's all she wrote. We're gonna bend these tines up a little bit, just to give it a little bit more positive connection. Doesn't take much. All right, flip it over, pop it back down. There we go. And now we solder it. Come on. Sure makes it better with my solder sucker. Go. There. There. Come on. It's not even solder. Come on, try again. That looks better. Okay. Gross. Let's put this back together. Done. Back to the truck. Let's put this back together. Throw the antenna back on. Just click. Throw the module back in like this. Go click. Come on. There. And screws back in. And let's just try what we just showed you. Ready? On. So, we are going to put the 4 screws back in. Don't know if you want to see from the other side. Not really. But you know how to fix it now. So that saves you mega bucks. Now you do need a few specialized tools, so you might not be able to do it. But you could probably do it with solder wick. It wouldn't be as easy, or as quick, or as nice. But if you don't have the tools, you can still fix it. Instead of buying a whole new product and throwing all this away, you can fix what you've got. Save a bunch of money. There we go. Cover on. 2 screws go back in. Do-do-do-do. Okay. Maybe this video helped you, so give it a like. Maybe you want to see what I break next. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.